my factory caught on fire. Let's talk about that.
We begin the Fox 11 News at 10 with this breaking news. A huge fire burning in a building in Huntington Park. The LA County Fire Department says this is a medical commercial building. It's on East Gage Avenue. It's been burning for more than an hour and a half.
Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looked like a little earlier. The building looks to be a total loss. Most of the structure is gone. At the height there, look at those flames. Firefighters are surrounding the building and pouring water on it from above.
We've been watching this for over an hour now, and every time it appears firefighters are getting a handle on it, the fire just spreads and continues to burn. The concern now is keeping it from spreading to nearby buildings. We are not hearing of any injuries at this hour.
Oh man, what a weird day I've had. Or 24 hours, I guess. So basically the story is that after basically last night, 11 p.m. roughly, after a intense Minecraft session with a good friend of mine, I opened my phone to see the shocking news that the factory where all my products get assembled caught on fire. The building, you know, at least, caught on fire. Which was very disturbing to see. As I've learned today, the actual building, you know, there is split up into two tenants. One of the tenants was the one at the end, which suffered the most fire damage, and the other tenant, Boutique Amps Distribution, was the other tenant. They didn't get as much fire damage, but apparently they still suffered smoke, maybe water damage. I really don't know anything at this point. You know, I'm up here in Washington State. They're down there in LA, so I'm not able to actually see the damages or anything like that firsthand. I'm just kind of piecing together little bits of information as I can. But yeah, so, you know, the guys at Boutique Amps Distribution are awesome. I love the team. Thank goodness no one got hurt. No one got seriously hurt. I think a fireman maybe suffered some type of injury. The news said. I don't really know, but thank goodness for the firefighters, all firefighters. I mean, such a crazy job to have to go fight fires, which are, I mean, this blaze, I mean, is horrifying looking, like crazy flames. So huge thanks to those guys. Without them, it would have been way worse. And it's crazy how well they were able to contain the fire. So big thanks to those guys. But yeah, I really don't know anything at this point. I don't know what that means. I don't know how that's going to affect my products or all the other awesome brands. You know, you got Friedman and Soldano and Wampler and all these awesome brands that Boutique works with. I have no idea what this means yet. So just kind of giving my first reaction to clue you in that everybody's safe, no one got harmed. We're going to get through this. It's definitely not going to stop me from producing products for you guys. It might be a little bit of figuring things out, but we have a bright future, exciting future ahead. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. If I learn anything new, I'm going to be posting it on social channels. So make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.